Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 and it's stuck on verifying update, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if you're trying to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 and it's stuck on verifying update. So now let's get started how you can fix this type of problem easily. So first of all, here you'll have to make sure that you're using strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then here you need to disconnect with Wi-Fi and reconnect it again. And if you're using mobile phone data, then here you'll have to turn off your mobile data and turn it on again. Then after that, here you'll have to again open settings, then scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and here make sure that your iPhone device has enough storage. If your iPhone device has not enough storage, then here you'll have to review your photos, videos and other data. Then here you'll have to delete some unnecessary data. Then from here you'll have to delete some unnecessary data from your iPhone device to avail more space in your iPhone device. And here you'll have to uninstall all the unnecessary apps on your iPhone iPad device to avail more storage in your iPhone device. So after that, here you'll have to close this tab. After that, here you'll have to again open setting on your iPhone device. Then here you'll have to scroll down, then tap on general, then again scroll down all the way, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. After that, here you need to enter your iPhone passcode, then here close this tab. After that, here you'll have to force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So after that, again open setting, then here scroll down, then here you need to tap on screen time, then again scroll down, then tap on content and browse restrictions, then here turn on this toggle, and here make sure that all the options are allowed from here. Then after that, again disable this toggle from here, then go back again, and here you'll have to again open setting, then scroll down, and here you'll have to tap on general, then scroll down, and here you'll have to select your country or region. Your Apple region and your device region should be same. Then after that, go back again, and again here you'll have to make sure that your iPhone device time is correct and the set automatically is turned on from here. Then after that, go back. After that, here you'll have to close this tab. After that, open Safari browser on your iPhone device, and here you'll have to make sure that Apple system status is working properly. If here is any problem, then here you'll have to wait until to fix it. Then after that, you will be able to install iOS 18 in your iPhone or iPad device. So this is a way through which you can easily fix this problem, and you can install iOS 18 update in your iPhone device after resolving this type of problem. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.